What's up guys, Shahid here. Today I'm going to show you an easy way to remove anything from your photos in Photoshop and also to clean up unwanted objects from your photos for a more polished and professional look. Let's get started. Bring the photo you want to edit in Photoshop. Select the lasso tool, draw on the object you want to remove from the photo to select it. Right click and select the content aware fill. Now Photoshop is automatically going to remove the object for you, taking samples from the area highlighted in green. If you don't want samples to be taken from a specific area, just deselect that specific portion. Press Command D and then export the image. This is the before and after. The next tool we are going to use is the clone stamp tool. Select clone stamp, hold the option key and click to select the target that needs to be copied. Once that's done, click on the area that you need the target to be pasted. Continue to do this on the objects you wish to remove. Now, in order to remove the can, we are going to repeat the steps we did in the first image using content aware fill. Press Command D and then export the image. This is the before and after. That's it from me. Hope you liked the video. Subscribe for more photography and cinematography related content. Thank you for watching.